If you're a YouTube creator, you need to hear this. Let's turn those views into cash, step by step. First things first, create content you love. Passion is contagious and your audience will feel it. Next, set up a Google AdSense account. This is where the magic happens. With ads on your videos, you start earning with every view. Now, don't forget about sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for engaging creators. Reach out to companies you believe in. They'll pay you to talk about their products, memberships and merchandise. Oh yeah, they're golden. Offer exclusive content for members or sell your own branded goodies. Finally, consistency is key. Upload regularly, interact with your audience and watch your channel grow. So, there you have it. Follow these steps, stay dedicated and start seeing those dollar signs. Happy creating. Marabi Shekrena.